Guys, good morning. This is what my problem is. Playing a video that over 20 videos, even if you play it like overnight, it only stopped to 21 videos. So guys, kindly make a playlist that is not over 20, because it's not continuously playing. You see this video, it keeps playing all night long until 21. So we have to make only until 20. If you make a playlist, don't make playlist which has over 20. Okay guys, because this is only until 21, and then it roll all over all night long to this video. And look how many it counts for the views. It won't change. Okay, so guys, just make sure that you make a playlist that is not over 20 videos, and also consider that 10 hours is not also advisable. So at least if you make a playlist, you just have to make 5 hours, just like this. It continuously play, because this playlist 5 hours, it's until 20 videos. So it stop, it's finished. Okay, when I play these videos, this continuously, and it stop. Okay, you see that this channel of Jenny Love 77, this channel, I played for her channel, and yeah, as you can see, it stopped the playlist until 20, and it continues, and it never play back again. Okay, because this is like 5 hours videos, the playlist, and it has 20 videos in one playlist. So guys, if we make a new playlist, don't make 10 hours videos and over 20 videos, because it's not really advisable to have over 20 videos in one playlist, and also over 5 hours. Okay, so at least like 5 hours in one playlist. Okay guys, because I'm observing, keep playing for some videos of other channels. If they have more than 20 videos, it plays like this. Okay, you see, it will, I will show you, and we'll wait until when it's done, if it's really moving to the next, okay, to the next video. Because it's just keep playing all night long until 21 videos. Okay, and this playlist have 70 videos. So observe guys, observe, there you go, it's pretty soon, and that is like 4 minutes and 2 seconds video. Okay, there you go. So does it change the number? No, it won't change. Look at that. It's still 21 guys. Still don't count. I will go back to the other video, and I will not go to the 20-second video. So this one, eyes with wonder staring. I'm not sure if which video is this, but this is not really moving. So it plays again to the same video. Okay, look at that. It's number 21, this guys. Okay, so I am telling you that don't make a playlist that over 20 videos. Okay, make sure that it's only until 20 and not over 5 hours as well, the time of the playlist. Okay guys, make a playlist that is 5 hours and have 20 videos. So now you see it yourself, what am I talking about. Okay, because this is not my first time to play some videos that it stopped only until 21 video. For that, even if you play all the videos, maybe the first play all will play, but the second replay, it will not continuously play the all videos. Okay, it will only stop until 21 videos, and it will play back the same video to 21. Okay guys, so only make sure make a playlist 5 hours and not over 20 videos. So thank you guys, don't forget to click like and follow my YouTube channel. This is Filipino Raquel, instructing you how to make a new playlist and the right way and the right time, and how many videos that you could play, that you could save to one playlist. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day everyone. This is Filipino Ricardo Los Santos from Philippines guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.